Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine, but first I'm just going to be showing you my face. Honestly, I've had better days with my face. I'm really having a lot of breakouts. Like I had a couple here and then on my forehead. I really don't know, my face has just been acting up lately. It's just going to be a simple routine. It's actually like my morning routine but without the sunscreen, and I also have a face cream I'm going to be showing you guys that I apply on my face only at night later in this video, so stick around to find out. So yeah, just to start off, the first step as always is cleansing your face is really important. Guys, for the cleansing, I've actually already cleansed in the shower with my Dove soap. I use this Dove soap in the shower. This is the Dove Delicious Care. It's pinkish but it's really moisturizing. That's why I love Dove products. Dove is really moisturizing, and if you have dry skin, I recommend that you try any of the Dove bar soap. I'm going to be using these face wipes to just wipe down my face in case I have any dirt, because I just took my shower about 20 minutes ago, but just in case my face is oily or something, let me just wipe it down. The next step in my routine, which is actually toning. So for toning, I use my normal daytime toner at night because I have acne prone skin, and this is the toner that I use. This is still my deep cleansing astringent, Palmer's deep cleansing astringent. This is really good for acne prone skin, but if your skin is not acne prone, you can actually use both rose water and glycerin. I'll put a picture here for you. Yeah, this one is the one I'm going to be making use of because honestly this cleanser, it's my holy grail. I have talked about this cleanser a lot on my channel. I don't do without it, and you can just skip this process if maybe you don't want to use a toner, but I highly recommend it, and I think it's really useful to use a toner to cleanse your face. So yeah, I'm just going to be grabbing a cotton wool. So you want to just grab like a cotton wool and then apply a little bit of like that, so the cotton pad is wet with the cleanser, and then you're just going to use that to clean your face thoroughly. If you have acne prone skin, this cleanser is really good for acne, and it really gets out all the dirt and oil that soap and your moisturizer and your cleanser can't really reach. So I think this is a good option. But if you're not acne prone and you have dry skin, definitely try out that boost rose water and glycerin, because glycerin is really moisturizing. That's why I recommend it. If you have dry skin, glycerin is what you need. So as a toner, that boost rose water and glycerin is really good for dry skin. So guys, don't forget your neck, because anything you're doing to your face, also remember to cleanse your neck as well, because that is important. Just use your toner to also cleanse your neck, because your neck and your face are they should be uniform. Like anything you're doing to your face, also ensure that you're doing it on your neck as well. So I see a lot of people that will just cleanse just their face and use a toner just on their face and forget that their neck is, they see the both of them at the same time. So make sure you also get like your neck and the rest. Yeah, so this is, you guys do not believe, I actually just took a shower like 30 minutes ago, but if you can look at that, that's why I really like this cleanser. But because a lot of times after you're done cleansing, that's when you realize that soap and water doesn't really cleanse as thoroughly as you need it to a lot of times. So just look at that. I don't know if my camera will ever focus, but yeah, at least you guys have gotten a good look at. On to the third step. At this point, I'm going to be applying my serums. This is optional. If you don't have a serum, you can totally skip this step, but for me, I'm going to be using my ordinary niacinamide, zinc 1% and niacinamide 10%. This is really good for acne prone skin, and is also great for like sensitive skin. If your skin is acne prone or you have sensitive skin, I recommend this because it really helped me a lot when I was going through it, and I am still going through it because I don't know why I had a lot of breakouts and I'm having dark spots. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I use for my dark spots currently, and then yeah, so I'm just going to be applying my serum. So when applying your serum, you guys make sure not to use this in a way that this bottle touches your skin, because it can actually just not infect, but transfer germs from your face to, or bacteria from your face to this bottle. So you want to make sure that you use this in a way that you don't touch it directly to your face. So just make sure that it doesn't touch your face, like that, and then just like a drop or two will do. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to be applying that properly. Just make sure that you don't apply too much, because a little really goes a long way. It's almost like applying water on your face, so you want to just massage it in a little bit and then like let it absorb into your face. Also, don't forget your neck as well, because sometimes I used to have a little bit of chest acne, so this really helps me. Then yeah, make sure you get it everywhere and let that soak into your skin. So this niacinamide is actually serving as my moisturizer, because if you didn't use a serum, you should just like skip to the moisturizer phase step, but for me, I didn't use any moisturizer. This is going to be serving as my moisturizer. So the last step is the face cream that I told you guys and how you currently use for my dark spots, which I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So this is the face cream that I use currently. This is Nisa Lovely Gold face cream, like the night cream, because it actually turns your face a bit white. But yeah, I just got a new pack. I've even finished the old one I was using. So this is how it looks in the pack, and I've not yet opened it. So can you guys see? So this cream is white. It's like a face cream for night. So yeah, I use this on my face, and I recently started using it, and it's been really nice. It's helping me like fade out most of my dark spots. So overnight is a good overnight treatment for spots, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation, because a lot of times this darkness you see from like exposure to sun and everything, sometimes this one helps to cure all of that. So I just rub this into my skin. So I don't avoid my eye area, I actually apply around my eye area. So this is okay, it's a face cream, so I'm not skipping my eye area at all. But yeah, you guys can see that it has a white cast, but I don't mind because I'm in my house, and last I checked, nobody is seeing me here. So even if I look I look like a masquerade or something, at least I'm just going to bed and I'm not going out, so I don't mind the white cast. But yeah, it's really effective for hyperpigmentation and like dark spots. So if you're having like dark spots, I really recommend this. You guys should try it out. It's been helping me fade out most of my dark spots that are just stubborn. So yeah. Yeah, so last I checked, there is no sun at night, so there's no need for sunscreen. And at the end of my nighttime skincare routine. This is pretty easy, it is simple. First step is to cleanse in the shower. Even if you're not taking a shower, you can still cleanse your face outside of the shower. Then tone my face, use my serum or your moisturizer. The serum is optional, and then I move on to my night cream, but at the serum or moisturizer, you can totally just go to bed and leave your face blank and leave your face like that. Sorry. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and give this video a huge thumbs up, guys. It really helps me. So with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, and until my next one, bye.